Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you're having trouble bleeding your front brakes, we're going to talk about the master brake cylinder. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, DIYers, outside of the vehicle, this is our Toyota Camry. And again, in the event that you are having trouble bleeding your brakes, hopefully we're going to help you figure it out. We are referencing our front brake system. As you can see, we got the front wheels off, both the driver's side and the passenger side over here. And we are going to talk about the master brake cylinder in this video. And opening up your hood inside your engine compartment, basically in line with the driver's side steering wheel and seat, is your brake booster, and your master brake cylinder feeds into the booster and is secured by a few bolts down below, as you can see down there. And feeding out of your master cylinder are a few brake lines, as you can see, one on top and one down on the lower right hand side. And over time, unfortunately, these master brake cylinders can weaken and fail. And with that said, let's talk about the master cylinder itself and how that can happen. Inside the master cylinder is an internal cylinder. And as you push that brake pedal in and out, that internal cylinder moves back and forth, managing and directing brake fluid through those lines and throughout the system to get that fluid to all of your brakes, both the front two and rear two. However, again, these can fail over time, and when they fail, the internal cylinder can get locked or stuck in one position and will no longer move as you press that brake pedal in and out. And if that happens and the cylinder is stuck in a position that is blocking one of these brake lines, guess what? Your system is going to degrade rapidly and you are going to lose your brake system. And that is very important to know. You have to be on the ball and hopefully know to immediately reference your emergency brake system and use it to properly and safely bring the vehicle to a stop without hurting yourself or the vehicle. So again, that is the master brake cylinder. What I will do now is I will show you a new master brake cylinder to show you the comparison of a new internal cylinder compared to a old master brake cylinder that is seized in place. All right, DIYers, check this out. Here is the brand new master cylinder, and believe it or not, it does belong to that Toyota Camry behind me. And what I want to show you is the internal cylinder, a lot cleaner than that old one I just showed you, right? Check that out. And just by a little bit of friendly force from your finger or thumb, you can actually push this internal cylinder, and I will show you how easy it is to push in and out. See that? So you will notice as I push it in and let go, it spring loads back to the closed position. And again, in the event that it gets stuck in this position, guess what? When you push on your brake pedal and this is stuck in position, it is not going to go in and assist in directing the brake fluid out of the top line as well as the bottom line here. So again, I just wanted to show you that. All right, check this out, DIYers. We are inside of the computer, and this is the internal cylinder I was just talking about. And as you can see, it is all the way back flush with the rear pin here. And unfortunately, this internal cylinder is seized in this position. And the way this works is when you push that brake pedal in, there is an internal pin that comes out of the brake booster and pushes this cylinder forward. And again, it helps manage and direct the brake fluid throughout your system. Let me show you an additional photo of the pin coming out of the brake booster. Right here, check that out. And you can see the old gasket that had to be peeled away and the surface cleaned up prior to putting a new cylinder on. Back to this photo again, I just wanted to show you this. To the vehicle, and again, hopefully this helps. What we have down below in the comment section as well as the description section are several video links to additional videos that talk about common causes of not being able to bleed your brakes, both the front brake system and the rear. Definitely check out those links. You may find them very helpful, and hopefully one of them will get you back up and running. Hopefully this helps. Hey DIYers, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.